What's the role of placenta in health and diseases?
Placenta is a very unique organ. It's probably one of the most unique organs in the world. The placenta is the one that is taking care of, from one hand, to allow the baby to grow from a tiny, small number of cells to a nice 3 kilo of a baby. So the placenta cells or the placenta organ is the one that is doing all the nutrition for the baby, but it also allows the two human beings, the mother and the baby, to live together during pregnancy. And this is the organ that is actually modulating and control all the immunological interaction between the mother and the baby. Like all the good stuff in life is happened by coincidence.
Are you already using the drug you produce in patients?
Yes, we are doing clinical studies. This is the drug. In my hand, I hold a vial that contains about 100 million placenta cells ready to use. I can inject the cells to any human being around the world without genetic match or blood match. And we injected already hundreds of people all over the world. Today, the cost to treat the patients we are treating is extremely expensive. For one of the patients that we are treating, for example, patients which have a ischemic leg, most of them are diabetic patients that become complicated with diabetic complication, and they are facing immediate risk for death and amputation. The cost for the system, for the healthcare system, is estimated by $50,000 per year. According to our assumption, even we will be able to charge even about 50% of the current cost. And today, from one placenta, we can treat over 25,000 patients. The company is running three three clinical indications that are in the phase 3, in the final stage before approval. In addition, we are treating patients. The name of the disease is critical limb ischemia. This is an ischemic leg. People that are facing immediate risk for death and amputation, mainly diabetic patients. And we were able to demonstrate that if we inject the cell into the leg of these patients, we are able to regenerate the blood flow into the leg and to save the leg and to save their life. So this is the second indication. And we're going to launch by the end of this year the phase 3 study for muscle regeneration.